I'm going to sort of guess this. Because from back here, it's difficult to tell what that thing is.
Well, we know it doesn't have wings.
No.
There is no fuselage. There is no tail. It's simply an outhouse going down the runway.
Excuse me?
Well, that's what it looks like to me. Isn't that what it looks like to you, folks? It's an outhouse going down the taxiway. What's so strange about that?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is a jet-powered outhouse. For a little relief here at the Abbotsford International Airshow 2011, this thing is christened the Port-a-Jet, and it was created by attaching a portable toilet to a go-kart chassis.
There are 100 one-liners that you could use to describe what's going on here this afternoon.
But it's a family show.
It's a family show, folks.
Now keep an eye on this, folks, because in a minute he's probably going to start spewing out some flame and fire.
So it does have afterburning capabilities, so to speak.
Oh, there you go. You can hear.
Don't you dare mention what those sound like.
Little puffs of energy coming out of the spout of that jet outhouse, folks.
Oh, my.
It's fair to say that Port-a-Jet doesn't handle that well.
I can imagine.
In fact,
Oh, my goodness. The jet-powered outhouse. Absolutely incredible.
he says with a good tailwind, it can reach up to 70 miles per hour.
But why
which really isn't bad for a toilet.
I wonder if it's low flow. Boy, you don't want to stand behind that one.
It actually plays a tune.
I'm speechless.
Somewhere.
Oh, this is good. I'm sorry. WestJet 737, the folks are going, wow, we're glad to be in Abbotsford, and they look out the right side window, and what do they see? A fire-breathing porta-potty.
Wow, that thing really produces some thump, doesn't it?